Today I'm doing a really easy swipe where I'm going to experiment with a slightly modified swiping tool. The paint ratios that I'm going to use are pretty much my standard paint swiping ratios, so I'm not going to mention them during the video, but for any new viewers I will include all the details in the description box along with a link to my paint mixing video. I'm just tilting the canvas to help spread the paint around the canvas and cover some of those open spaces. For those of you who have watched my videos before, you know I often like to use the plastic wrapper that the canvas comes packaged in to do my swipes. This swipe, I wanted to see what would happen if I cut a bit of a zigzag pattern into the plastic wrapper. So we're about to find out. So I think the effect of the zigzag pattern did come through in the swipe, although looking at it I do think you could probably achieve kind of the same outcome by just using a palette knife, but still a nice little experiment. I really love the combination of the colors in this swipe. To me they look very pretty and calming, which is why I decided to call it a dreamy swipe. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you as always for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.